Guys, I've just come off a live trading session. I just thought I'd do a quick video, give you a little heads up on some ideas that we've been looking at in our trading room that we'll be executing from about 2:15 this afternoon to 1:30 live. I will record the live trade and the idea that we've been looking at, and it's based on data back from 1950 for Thanksgiving week. And what I'll do, I'll share a bit of data with you, my source of the data, and give you some ideas of what we're going to do. Then what we'll do, we'll record it, and I'll share the video live to show you how we actually trade it. So come on, I will share the screen and show you what it's all about. Right, okay, so this is US 500. I'm just going to pull something down that I shared in the trading room this morning in my Slack room. A bit of data here, Dow Jones Market Data. So this is Thanksgiving week, and this is a Thanksgiving week track record stretching all the way back to 1950, and it's all around the S&P. And what we're going to do is trade this data. And what it suggests here is 83% of the time the S&P is up, and that's from Wednesday to Friday. For the full week, it's run about 68%. Figures aren't quite correct there because it's actually 68% of the time. But this is a bit of data from Dow Jones Market Data. It's not mine, but what we're going to do is use this data to try and put a trade on. If I just take this away from the Slack room, take the Slack room off. Right, okay, so this is the S&P. We've got all the EOD cash pivots, end of day cash pivots, all put in, as you can see, on the 4 hour, quite clearly on the 4 hour. This market is very bullish. There's a 200 EMA. Let's zoom right down into the 1 hour, and you can see here, we've got the market on this oblique support rising line on the market. And we've got the market topping out round about Camarilla breakout long, round about 45.25. If we break out of there, we're looking at 45.55 as our target, Thanksgiving week target. Let's zoom right in a little bit. We're pre-cash. We've already traded this pre-cash this morning from a bounce on the futures market down here into the close. As you can see, we're below the closing gap at the moment. The closing gap from Friday is 45.14, and this is the area of interest we want to trade. As I record, the time now is 12:54, Monday, 20th of November. So I'm quite keen to record all this live. And I'll open my live trading room up to my members, and we'll record this live this afternoon. And what I will do, I'll give you the uncensored, uncluttered trade that we actually performed. You won't find any polished videos here. We're a trading room, and that's what we focus on, trading. We don't focus on polished delivery. We are traders, and we're here to make money. I'm quite happy to show you how we do it as well. So we've got the Aikanashi candles, nice flat tops, all coming down quite nicely a couple of hours before the open. And what we're looking for is a bounce off this rising line here. And for those people that have fractals, use my fractals on PRT and indeed on TradingView. They are available on my website. What we'll be looking for here would be a 5-minute fractal reversal to, first of all, come up and close the gap from around about this area here. Then we'll be looking for a bit of a pullback, double tap on the daily high, and then we'll be looking for at least Camarilla breakout long. So that's my tip. That's what we're going to do. It's an educational room that we make money out of, and I hope you find that useful. The data goes back to 1950, and if we are correct, or if the data is correct, if we get a decent position in, then we've got between a 68 and 83% chance of doing that. If we use our tools and techniques, well, I'll take it up even higher. So I hope that was useful. I'm going to quickly post that now without any fancy tops and tails. It's just going to go straight on YouTube, and we'll see how we get to. Don't forget, don't forget, I've not actually told you. What I will be doing is a Black Friday offer. I'll put that on my next video, and I'll be publishing that on YouTube probably tomorrow. I think I've got 8 or 9 slots that are potentially open, then the doors close for you to join me to learn how to be a consistent trader. If you're interested, maybe send me an email, and we can talk, and to see if we are both a fit for the room, and to see if my teachings are something that you can deal with. But I'll get off, publish the video, and I will then follow up with some live recordings and see how we actually did. Cheers then. Bye-bye, guys.